Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and just show you how I can send my offer, which is called the List Infinity. And if you didn't know, List Infinity is a massive viral email list generator, right? Pretty much, right? That every 5 leads get passed up, and then when you promote it, every 5 leads gets passed up to you, and so it grows your email list virally because it just passes up, right? Passes up every 5th one or whatever. But not only that, it's a $100 generator. It's a $100 commission spitting machine, right? So, excuse me, with all that being said is, I'm going to take this lead magnet, and it's free to join, right? And that's the catch. So I'm going to take this lead magnet because that's what it is. It's an opportunity. You give it away for free. It gives people tools, resources that they need, that they could make $100 a day, or they can just use it to generate leads, right? It gives you free training and everything. It's lead magnet. So I'm going to give this to my source, which gives me 100 leads a day, as a lead magnet to get them onto my list, to pull them onto my list, and to show them an opportunity that they can make daily $100 bills, right? So I think it's going to be a nice little experiment for me. I'm just going to see what I got. I mean, I get 100 a day, right? So why be afraid? I mean, I've gotten multiple income funnel sales from it. I've gotten Warrior Plus sales from it. Multiple Warrior Plus sales from it. Multiple My Lead Gen Secret sales from it, and multiple income funnel sales for it. In fact, it's part of the multiple income funnel, one of the bonus streams. So, but anyway, without further ado, so that's the plan. I'm gonna show you the capture page I'm gonna use. We're gonna jump over to My Lead Gen Secret, and I'm just gonna show you how I send out some email blast. So, without further ado, let's jump in. So this is the offer, right? Who else wants to build a massive viral email list and generate instant commissions? This tells you a little bit about the offer. It's absolutely free to join. You can build a massive email list, right? Every 5th lead gets put into your email list. You can earn up to $100 per sale because it's a 100% commission platform, right? But also it has some built-in residual streams, right? So it's like I don't want to say, it's a multi-stream instrument, right? It's a funnel that creates multiple streams of income for you, right? I'm trying not to use a word that's already coined, right, by a different system. So anyway, you get all of this training inside. It's valuable, and you get a free vacation, which is awesome because once those free leads see the vacation, it may perk your ears up, and they may want to jump in. I mean, come on now, $100 for a free vacation and a means to generate and basically print $100 bills, right? Can't beat it. I mean, I would jump all over the opportunity, but some people's minds aren't right. Okay, so then they'll see the proofs, right? They'll see how, Angie and Steven and Anil and Valentine and Salman and Online Business Minded right here and Aziz and Abdul and, and everybody are making $100 payments, $100 bills into their pocket. And it's free, right? So they have nothing to lose, right? So I want to see how this offer works with them, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So this is the offer. So now let's jump into, and let's pick a capture page, right? Let's jump into the back office here. I think I already had it pulled up. Let me look if I still got it. Boom. Let's jump into the back office of the what do you call it? List Infinity. Here's my referral link, but this is just for the sales page. What I want is an actual capture page because I want to, I don't know. Do I want to use a capture page and see how many leads I can get? Or do I want to use a capture page or use just the video sales letter and put it out there to see what happens? I can do this one day and do something the next because with the My Lead Gen Secret leads, you get them every day and you're always emailing the same leads, right? So, I mean, it's kind of like your choice. So I say today we'll go ahead and get just the basic, we'll use the VSL, which I'll take this one. With the VSL is just what we were looking at on the last page. And if I need to remind you, it looks like this. This is just the VSL. So I'm going to send that in these leads. So you just hit copy, right? And that's how you copy the link. So let's dive over to the My Lead Gen Secret website here. Let's log in here. Let's log in and here. So basically, you know, this is what I've been doing. Here's my stats so far. Just click rate, clicked, open. I'll show you a little bit here. This program gives you 100 leads a day. And if you get affiliates, like I'll show you here in a minute, if you get any kind of affiliates, right, you can start earning $5 and $4, $5 and $4 and stuff like that, right? And it gives you up to 200 leads a day then, right? So I'll show you that. So I was at 100 day. I'm at 200 today, 200 yesterday, because I get that extra bonus because I have affiliates, right? Now this program costs $30 a month. So basically it's $1 a day, $1 for 100 leads per day, right? And then if you got an affiliate, you get the bonus $200, 200 leads a day. And as you can see, I'm pretty regular on it. I sent on the 26th, 25th. I don't know what happened on the 24th. That was Thanksgiving. I must have been asleep. 23rd, 22nd, 20, you know, and I did it every day. And this, I don't know why this number is so low here, but that's how many opened on that day, you know, and clicked and open rates and everything like that. So, as you know, if you can get these email swipes, these OTOs, one-time offer swipes for, I think, an extra fee or whatever, but I've had it so long that I don't remember. Then you go over here to the mailing system, and this is where you can select how many leads you want to email for today. I normally select all leads, right? And it's 62,300 leads. That's how many leads I'm going to email. Now you can pick an email you previously sent on a different day. Now how you can determine that is if you jump over to your stats, you can look and just look at your numbers, right? So, I mean, you know, this day right here, I said, did you download your free ebook? That's the No BS blueprint for MIF, right? Which I did get a couple leads. And you can see that the open rate is high. And then the click rate is like 5 or whatever. So maybe I send that again and just substitute the leads and substitute the link with that one because it seems like they're interested in opening a free download. Or I can just try something new. And today I'm going to just try something new. What I'm going to do is I like sending this click copy profit one because that's always like a 6 and a 7. And if I go to the previous day here, let's see, a 6 and a 7, new income streams. And I got their first name, so that's high. Or let's see if we can get a high number. There's a 6 and a 6, achieve $100 in 2,000 days. That's low. See, that's one of those. This is one of those long emails, right? And actually, it's long and the title, and it's only been, you know what I'm saying? So you know not to send those again just from the numbers. I mean, these numbers really don't mean anything other than I look at them to determine how many people opened the subject line on, and then determine if I'm going to use that subject line again. So like, finally, no experience was an 8 and an 8. So I think I'm going to use that one. And so it says, finally, no experience needed. I sent it back on October 27th. So what I'm going to do is jump over to my mailing system. I'm going to click this again, right? Where I select all my leads. And I'm going to find that in my list. And it's funny because my mind must be crazy because I cannot even remember what I said. Oh, finally, no experience needed. I'm going to hit load. And basically that loads that email that I sent the last time. And it says, finally, no experience needed to profit online, right? And basically, here it is. Hi there. Do not worry. This will be really easy. Step 1, open this email. You've read that. You're done. Step 2, watch the video and click the link. Oh, sorry. Step 2, watch the video, click the link, start profiting. I told you it was easy and you should be able to start making money as soon as that's complete, right? P.S. Click here to get your free No BS blueprint. So you see how I still stuck the MIF link down here. And in this one, I'm going to substitute this link here for, I had a superfunnelhero.com VSL in there. So I'm going to substitute this link with my VSL right here for my list infinity. I'm going to bounce back over here. Oops, that's the power lead system. I mean, I could put that one in there, or I could put, it was a bridge page I was working on. Let's see, this bridge page for the list infinity also. I think it's pretty cool. It was one that I was working on. I could send this link too. I mean, it does the same thing. It says basically discover the easiest way on the planet to build a huge email list with no previous experience and generate $100 commissions. And this is basically just a review video that I made, right? And then here's a small video from the actual List Infinity, just describing what it is. And then here it says continue, and boom, it takes them right to, right to the VSL anyway. I just put a page in front of it for them to hear my review. And I've just made up my mind because that is what I'm going to send. I'm going to send that link right here. So I'm going to send my own personal review video with the link, right? And I'm going to send that over to the My Lead Gen Secret, okay? So right here. So I'm going to put my link here, my review video, my bridge page. So they'll see me, right? Me doing a review of the product, the offer, and so they'll get a chance to know, like, and trust me, right? And then, if they click continue, they can go on to the sales page and review the offer, review the sales page, hopefully sign up, right? So that's how easy it is, Okay, so then down here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the click here to get your free No BS Blueprint 6 Figures in 6 Months ebook. And I'm just going to change the date on here. And today's date is 11/27 because I tracked that, right? I tracked that on my MIF page. I'm going to hit OK. So that I know if I get a lead in that system from this, I know where it came from. I know it was in the PS line of the letter that I sent on that day. And I got the date, right? And I got the source. So that's just how I track it on there. I'm going to go down here. You can't really see it here because, there we go. I'm going to hit select perfect timing. If you didn't know, it says right here, we can now predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. In a nutshell, it's the time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on historical activity. Actually, we do more than just predict. We can deliver your email exactly during the sweet spot time window, landing on top of their mailbox and boosting your opens and clicks. So I always click perfect timing. So now here, I always hit preview. You can't really see it, but it's right here. I click preview just so I can check my links, make sure that they're good. So this is the No BS Blueprint link at the bottom in the PS line, so I can get, if they click it, I get a MIF lead. And here's my review video in the watch this video here, and it gives you a review video that I did of the List Infinity. Gives them an option to create an account for free, right? So that's it. I'll just have those two links, my name. They'll meet me in this video, and we'll see what we get, okay? But it's that easy. So everything is still lined up. I selected all the leads, my title, my email, and all I do is come down here and I hit send. And so it's processed down here. It's queuing up my email, and voila. Let me scroll down a little bit. See, you can see that the next email I can send is in 22 hours and 59 minutes, okay? So that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to send a daily email blast using My Lead Gen Secret. And you can send any offer you want, any money-making opportunity. And like I said, if you look at my stats here, they're all over the place. I mean, when I just sent it today, of course, my opens went down to 0 because it had to start over. But just look here. I've never been able to get my open line above, like, there's 422 on that day. So basically, let's analyze this real quick. So on this particular day, I got 422 opens, and the date was 10/27/21. So let's see what day that was. What email I sent on that day? 10/27/21. 10/27/21, just for fun. 10/27/21. And that was the one I just sent, right? So that's why I chose to pick that one again. I had the highest opens or clicks, right? I had the highest clicks on the links, and I also had the highest opens of over almost 5,000 opens with that subject line. So of course, I'm going to send that again. And I wonder, just for giggles, if that's the same one on 11/1. So let's see. On 11/1, I put the fastest way to make sales online. So if you use this kind of data, you can figure out what these leads respond to the most to open. And then you kind of do the same with the clicks to see what they respond to the most to get the clicks. Okay. But anyway, that's how you do it. That's all I did. And that's all that I got. So if you enjoyed the content, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.